We're going to start with the stirred cocktail first. We're doing 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. We're doing 2 dashes of the orange and fig bitters. A 1/4 ounce of the cherry syrup. And then the jigger that is up here, it's the very bottom dash one. What else we're going to do to finish it off? 2 ounces of the 5-spice infused Woodford. I like to use the same in this cocktail, the 1 ounce pour 2 times to kind of rinse and pull all that extra cherry syrup out. So we make sure we get everything. We're going to go ahead and stir, get this started. So we're starting the chilling process and the dilution process. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let it rest because it's down to temperature for the most part while we get started on the shaken cocktail. We're going to come back to the stirred cocktail, give it a quick stir, make sure it's all done, get our glassware ready. And before we go to the shaken cocktail, we are going to completely finish this stirred cocktail. And to finish it, we're going to garnish it with an orange twist that we are going to flame. As always, I always like to trim my orange twist or lemon twist to kind of cut the edges and make them look nice and neat before using them, so you get a nice uniform look. To flame it, it's a little harder with a full-size twist, but there's always matches up here. We're going to kind of run the match up and down real quick. Just press it a couple times. You don't want to get it too close or you'll get it all sooty. It won't taste good.